Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Just yesterday, I made a video on how to draw this, and I thought I mentioned that I might rotate it. So this is a little bit different because you've got to cut that part out. You can put it behind, but at some point it's going to come back. So on something like this, you really just can't change it. There's, smart fill it afterwards, like we've done a lot of times. So if I take a rectangle, make sure it's big enough, and I'm going to get my smart fill tool and fill that in, and then fill that in, and then left click, right click, I have my outline. Now the whole time I have nudged, so I can nudge this back, and I can control D and make a duplicate, and then move my center rotation to there. And let's rotate it 30 degrees. There's my new item. So I can take my new item with the smart fill tool, put it back on top of the original, and then select them both and go intersect. And whatever it was covered up in black now becomes that. So that's going to be our new flower. Control D and make a duplicate. Put it, got to be on that node and rotate it 30 degrees, and then Control D. So if you didn't do that, this one would be, you could put this one in front of that one and keep going, but at some point that part's going to be on top. That's a pretty cool, I like it. I'd really like to maybe play around with some other colors, maybe in the flower scheme of things, even though blue is not bad. That pretty much stands out. Anyway, I hope that gave you some ideas or two, and thank you for watching.